Welcome to 4705 Imperial Oaks Lane. I can't wait to show you this luxury 6-bedroom single-family home in Parkside at Westphalia, situated on probably the best lot in the neighborhood. Come on, let me show you.
The moment you step through the front door of this gorgeous home, you'll notice the grand 2-story foyer, and you can't help but notice all the natural light just pouring into this home. To your right, you have a formal office, very spacious with the glass double French doors, and to your left, the formal living room where you can keep company with your most distinguished guests. You'll notice the wide plank solid hardwood floor on this level that is just gleaming as we enter the formal dining room. Very spacious and full of light. Now let's check out the gourmet kitchen in this CalAtlantic Patuxent model home. Level 3 granite and 42-inch cabinets. This kitchen is a chef's delight. Stainless steel appliances, a double wall oven, a 5-burner gas cooktop, and look at all that counter space. There's also plenty of seating in here with the breakfast bar and a large breakfast nook. And oh my goodness, so much storage space in that walk-in pantry. You can finally relax with your family and friends in this large family room anchored around a stacked stone natural gas fireplace. And there's a convenient powder room on this level. That's not too close, if you know what I mean, but it's located just inside the garage door. And now for one of the most important features of this house, the main level in-law suite. Use this room for your au pair, the grandparents, or just a second office, but has an ensuite full bath with walk-in shower. Now let's head up the oak staircase with wrought iron balusters, and we can check out the view of the 2-story foyer from upstairs. That's a great vantage point. The first stop on this level will be the primary bedroom suite with a tray ceiling, crown molding, recessed lighting, and a huge ceiling fan. There is a gorgeous view of the huge private backyard from this sitting area. And we'll pass by all those windows and head into the primary bathroom. This bathroom features 2 separate sinks and vanities, plenty of room to have your own space, a separate huge soaking tub, and shower. Gorgeous design and tons of light just pouring into this bathroom space. I can't forget to mention this shower has a seat built in, and we'll walk past the water closet into the walk-in closet that is expertly designed with California Closet custom upgrade. Now we will head across the hall towards the front of the house for bedroom number 2. Also has a ceiling fan and a walk-in closet. And then we'll head over to the hall bathroom. This hall bath has a soaking tub as well as 2 sinks, an extra large laundry room with space to fold, and a walk-in laundry closet for extra storage. Now here's bedroom number 3. Very large, lots of light, another ceiling fan, and another walk-in closet. And then finally, we will head over to bedroom number 4. 3 windows in this one, another ceiling fan, another walk-in closet. Before we leave this level, you'll notice the crown molding, and before we head to the basement, I'll point out there are 2 Nest learning thermostats that control the 2 separate heating and cooling units in this house. This basement is simply enormous. There is over 2,000 square feet in the basement alone, so tons of space in the basement rec room. Here is bedroom number 6. That is a legal bedroom because there is a full-size egress window inside that bedroom. And another ceiling fan so you can keep cool. Check out this full-service bar with HD countertops, under cabinet lighting, and glass shelves. Plenty of space to store your wine, store your drinks in the beverage center, and there's plenty of cabinet space to store your cocktails, mocktails, and snacks. Watch the game or play games in style. Just behind the bar, we have another bonus room with a ceiling fan that could be used as a gym. It has wood look hard flooring, but you could also use this room as a wine cellar. Now let's not forget, this is a walkout basement with 8-foot extra wide sliding glass doors to head out and enjoy the backyard directly from the basement. And you have a full bath down here. Finishing out this level, we have a yoga, exercise, aerobics room with a pop-out ceiling fan chandelier. And then we'll head outside to check out the best part of this house. On the left side, you have conservation area. So you have tons of privacy from any neighbors being able to see what you're cooking up in this huge backyard. Also conservation area in the back on the other side of the fence, and lots of green grass to enjoy. Tons of space to enjoy on your patio with the extensive hardscaping that has been thoughtfully planned out and placed by the homeowners. You would be hard-pressed to find a better lot with this much privacy anywhere. As you can see, this is a space that you can enjoy almost every season of the year. This is an amenity-rich neighborhood, so be sure to watch the separate video I did on the neighborhood amenities. Don't miss the 3D tour, the floor plans, and the interactive map.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour today. I know I certainly did. But if you or anyone you know might be interested in this luxury single-family home, please reach out to me. Here's my website, joieopenstores.com, and I'll see you around gorgeous Prince George's.